everyone, so today I'm filming my very much requested brow routine. So I have done quite a few different brow routines on my channel, but my brows have drastically changed. So I filmed this for you. I'm not sure how the footage is, but I hope it's alright. I used to do quite blocky brows with dip brow, but now I use something else. So if you want to see what I use and how I do it, keep on watching. But yeah, I'm going to try and film a brow routine for you because I know that's very requested. I think the last one I did was in January last year, so yeah, my brows have changed a lot. They are a little bit tinted right now. What I firstly do is actually put a bit of foundation on my forehead. What I'm using is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. I just received this in the post literally this morning. And I want to try it out, so I'm going to use it today. This is the shade Swan. I don't clean around the top of my brows, so if I put foundation on, it will just smudge where I've been, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. Micellar water. This is from Superdrug. I'm just taking off what's in my eyebrows, really. I actually really like brow pencils at the moment. I never used to be a brow pencil kind of gal. I like the Morphe micro brow pencils, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, also the Ilia Precision Brow Pencil, but I also do like the Ardell Brow Liberty, but that's upstairs. The Morphe one, I have all the different shades, so I kind of like mix between them. It really depends how I'm feeling that day. In the Anastasia Brow Wiz, I usually go for, I've run out of my medium brown. I only have a little bit left. So I have dark brown right now because Cult Beauty kindly sent me that, but I also have the brow definer in medium brown. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown today. I actually really like their spoolies. So what I firstly do is kind of go along the bottom of my brow. Really like roughly, it doesn't really matter. And just kind of go around where the hair starts. And then I kind of just start to flick it up. To be honest though, I have two different ways of doing my brows. I'll show you the first way, which is usually for Instagram pictures. One's just more dramatic, but I will just show you both because I can just change it around. So this is kind of for my fluffy brow on my close-up Instagram pictures. I don't usually put much in my brows because they don't really need it because they're up close and I can't really be bothered a lot of the time. Brows are like one of my least favourite parts of my routine. Sometimes I just want to create and then I realise I have to do my eyebrows and I'm like, no thanks. But yeah, basically I'm just kind of stroking the pencil upwards quite lightly, not pressing too hard, and then every now and again going in with the spoolie on the other end to brush it up, finding where there's like gaps and stuff, and then just go back in with the pencil side. I just put some brow gel in, clean it up on the bottom, and then I'm good to go. Because I'm filming a video today, I'm going to do what I would do if I was doing a full face. This is quite dark because it's a dark pencil, but basically I just kind of go around the top very lightly. Usually we'd go in with another pencil. It's a bit lighter. Sometimes if I go a bit wrong, I'll take my sponge and just pat over that area. I'm going to go in with Hazelnut by Morphe and go around the top. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I was going to say in the shade. That doesn't work. And I'm going to brush up my brow hairs. This is what like completes the whole look. Like I never used to use brow gel and I always wondered what the like point was of it. I can't live without brow gel now. Like I just can't. And I have a close-up mirror so I can see like closely, but then I have a further away mirror so I can see if they're even and stuff. So I find that really helpful, having a further away mirror as well as a close-up mirror, because you can see if they're even enough. The brush I usually use to carve out my brows is the Zoeva 144 Soft Concealer brush. I would usually just take concealer, or I'd take a base, like the P. Louise base if I'm using that. I'm just taking some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. And I just carve my brows out. Okay, they look completely different. I try and touch them up to make them look as even as I can. It's pretty difficult. Honestly, change every single time I do them. I'll use different products for one, but also like the way I do them will be different. Like somehow they'll just look completely different shape. Sometimes they'll be too light, sometimes they'll be too dark, sometimes they'll be too warm, sometimes they'll be too cool. I think they're too dark and too cool right now, but who cares? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. My Instagram is AnastaSaMakeup if you want to go follow me over there. I post lots of different makeup looks. I just filmed a tutorial on this look as well. It either will be up already or it's going to go up soon, so keep your eye out for that. If you want to know when that's up, you can turn on my notification bell or you can follow me on Instagram and check out my stories because I will be posting on my stories when it's up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it kind of helped you in some way. I've been requested to do this so long. As I said, my brows change all the time. I do them differently daily, you know, sometimes they're fluffier, sometimes they're thicker, sometimes they're thinner, sometimes they're darker, sometimes they're lighter, sometimes they're warmer, sometimes they're cooler. It depends what I use and how it goes, just, you know, they're never exactly the same. But yeah, I forgot to say also, I use a few different clear brow gels. The ones I like are the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, the Morphe one, and then the one in the Fleur and Eyelure one, this side, the clear side. I really like that too. So those are my favourite clear brow gels. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.